Money came in today, right?
It came in.
So send it over. Rent's due Friday.
I already scheduled the rent, Marcus. I handle that every month.
This video is for people that is actually doing AI storytelling, especially dialogue. If you know you are into full filmmaking using AI, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm not going to teach you how to create dialogue story, but rather I'm going to teach you how you can actually construct or from scratch build your own full film making workflow using AI. Do you understand? So what this video basically means is this: I'm going to teach you how to create a master prompt that can actually help you come up with a very sweet, interesting, action and full of suspense, full AI movie making prompt for yourself. So if you are interested, all you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end, subscribe and turn on notification sign. Then you must drop your comment on what you think about this video. Then if there is something you want me to do for you, also let me know in the comment section. Then if you want a one-on-one coaching with me, don't forget, join my group and then DM me. My group link is on the comment section. Let us dive into the full tutorial video now on how to create master prompt for your dialogue AI filmmaking. Come up with a very standard dialogue workflow prompt for your dialogue movies. You need to go around social medias and get a channel or a platform that is actually doing it well. So I love what this person is actually doing, so I'll be using this person's video to create my own dialogue master prompt. So what I'm going to do is this.
The air conditioner, ma'am. It filed a complaint.
Don't play games with me. Who gave you access?
Your office manager. I'm less dangerous than the machine.
I don't know you, and I don't like surprises.
Then today is already difficult.
You seem...
Now, do you see that? So this is what we will be creating now. I'll be using this particular story to get my workflow dialogue master prompt. So what I'll be doing basically is this. I'm going to click here. So when I click on this place, then I'm going to see this option that says copy link. So you have to tap on this place that says copy link. Do you see that? So once you click on this copy link, automatically this link is already copied. So what I'll be doing from here is this. So now once you come to your Chrome browser, what you are going to do is search for TikTok scripts. This is TikTok. TikTok script extractor. So when you search for TikTok script extractor, you can click on this, select this, any one of your choice. So I'm going to click on the first one. So once I click on the first one, what I need to do is to paste my video link here. You see that? Good. So I'm going to click here and then paste the link I copied from TikTok, which is this. So I'm going to paste this particular link here and then I'm going to hit on this place that says download. So once you click here, it will start processing, guys. Now, as you can see, we have the script already, and this is what this stuff is actually made of. So what I'm going to do is to copy the script, which is what I did by clicking on this place. So after you've copied your script, now you are good to go. And then if you go down here, you will see this is the video here. You see that? So this is the video. So what again I'll be doing now from here is this. I will now go to Cloud AI and then generate my master prompt for my dialogue story. Now you've copied the script of your story. So next thing you need to do is to create your master prompt. So all you need to do is just to open your ChatGPT. So when you open your ChatGPT, you click on this place. Now when you click here, you will see something like this. So here you click on project because you will be creating your own project. Now, as you can see, the first project I have here is my master, and I created my master prompt here. So what I'm going to do is to click on this place that has this plus sign. Do you understand? So what I'm trying to do here now is this. I'm going to create my own AI agent and then train the AI agent to generate my own script. That's my own full dialogue script, which is what I'll be using every time I want to create my own dialogue story. So here I will just name this stuff my AI dialogue agent. So this is my AI dialogue agent. You see that? Good. Then I'm going to click on done. You see that? So once I've clicked on done, then here you click down below here that says create. So once you click here that says create, automatically you've created your AI agent. Now this AI agent is created. If I'm to go back now from here, can you see I have this AI agent? So this is where I'll be building my prompt right now. Now for me to build my prompt, this is what I need to do. First, you have to tap on this place that has that 3 dots. So once you click on this place that has the 3 dots, now what you have to do is to click on this place that says edit instruction. This is where you are now training the AI, making the AI to understand why you created that project and what you want the agent to do for you. So once you tap on this place, then this will definitely come up. Now this is where you'll be pasting what you want. Do you understand? So this prompt now, we're making it available for you. This is the prompt you are going to paste here, because this prompt contains everything here. So all you need to do is just to read this prompt from beginning to the end. But let me just take a little part of it. So the prompt says, your mission is to transform any user request into a clear, complete, and LLM ready master prompt that another language model can execute without additional context. Now here I explained everything. Create a high quality master prompt that precisely captures the user's intent, constraint, and desired output, optimized for accurate, safe, and useful execution by a large language model. Now you just have to like take a good cleanse of this stuff. Then after you've pasted this stuff, you are good to go. So you tap on this place that has that good. Now by tapping on this place that has that good, now this agent automatically understood what his mission is. Do you understand? So after that is saved, now all you need to do is now to come here and then give your own instruction on what you want. Now for me to do that, I'll be using this mic here to just say everything I want. So I'll be like, I want a standard dialogue full script story, no narration, whenever I paste my story idea. So what I want you to do basically for me is this. I want you to generate a very detailed master prompt that can always generate a smooth flow conversation between 2 characters, 3 characters, or 4 characters in my story. And another thing I want you to do for me is this. Whenever you are generating my dialogue script, always make it part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. And each of the parts of my stories always generate a very realistic scene prompt that can actually suit the environment and what my story is actually saying on that part 1. Then I want you to maintain consistency when it comes to character generation, consistency and everything. Now at the ending part of the story, I always want you to come with a story idea, or when I paste my story idea, help me to analyze my story idea and then generate 2 strong dimension story, that's full dialogue story, that can actually sell very, very well on TikTok, Facebook, and on YouTube. Now I am done with that. So what I'm going to do next is to send this prompt, and once this prompt is done transcribing here, automatically this agent will now generate the master prompt according to the instruction here. Do you understand? So the prompt will definitely be ready in some minutes. Now can you see the master prompt is already created? So do you see how I was able to get my master prompt now? You see that? So once you have this stuff as your master prompt, you are good to go. Now look at what it says here. Master prompt, cinematic full dialogue story script engineer. This is version 1.0. You see that? Then after that, now goal, you are an elite screenplay writer. I think this is super amazing. So once you've gotten this stuff, now you copy this. Do you understand? So once this stuff is copied, you are good to go. Can you see? You've learned how to create your master prompt right now. Now the next thing we need to do is to use this master prompt to build a very interesting story. Make sure you watch the next video after this. We need to test the master prompt we generated for our dialogue. So I'm going to click here, and then this is the master prompt here. So what I need to do is just to click on my copy button. And now please, on the comment section, if you know you need this my instruction, Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to give it to you, or better still, just take a screenshot of it and then rewrite it now. Do you understand? Take a screenshot and rewrite it. Then so once you copy this, then you come back on your ChatGPT, because I will be using ChatGPT to test run this. Now you open a new chat on ChatGPT. So once your ChatGPT has opened, the very first thing you need to do is to paste the master prompt. So when you paste this master prompt, then ChatGPT will definitely understand exactly what will happen, and then pay attention to see what ChatGPT will say. Do you understand? So what you are basically seeing here now is the instruction. ChatGPT like analyzed this master prompt and then was giving you, a detailed instruction of what you said on the master prompt. So once you have this, now look at what it says. With these additions, your prompt becomes a prehensive. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this. I'll just be like, I want you to generate. Okay, I want you to use the above. I want you to use the above master prompt to create a detailed full dialogue story script. Full dialogue story script. When I provide you my story idea, then definitely it's going to tell you absolutely then you should paste your story idea. You see that? So I will be like, okay, I'll just give the AI title, or let me now give the AI instruction using my mic. So on this particular story, there live husband and wife with a maid, female maid. Now the husband and wife has married for over 10 years, and after their first year of marriage, the wife suggested that they need a maid, and which she eventually went to their village and bring up her kid sister, the same mother, the same father, biological sister, kid one, as their maid. So when the maid eventually came, the maid was absolutely doing everything to make sure that our own senior sister is actually happy. That's the one that got married, is actually happy. And as time goes on, the senior sister was really too busy with work and does not even have time for the husband again. They don't talk, they don't play, stuff like that. And this stuff happened for roughly 3 years, and the husband couldn't take it any longer. Whenever the husband approaches or want to talk things out with the wife will always give him excuses like, I am tired, I have something to do, this, that. If you don't like me, please just leave me alone. I am tired of all this stuff. All I need is just my work and all that. If you cannot support me, please just be on your own. Now I want you to generate or develop a very suspensive full dialogue, don't forget, story for me. Always include a scene prompt, and this story must be generated scene by scene with perfect scene prompt that will be consistent on their characters. Okay, the sweetness of a story is just you being detailed, telling the AI exactly what you want inside the story. So I'm going to send this stuff. Now ChatGPT will definitely develop the story. What I want to show you is just the power or how this AI dialogue master prompt actually works, guys. That's what I want to show you. Now can you see? So after I pasted the prompt, the ChatGPT was like, if you are happy with the adjustment, I will start immediately with part 1. So I came here, then I typed part 1. Now this is it. I will keep the core idea but adjust it so the maid is not the wife's biological sister. In this version, she's a young woman from the wife's village who the wife has treated like a younger sister for years. Okay, I think this is perfect. Now can you see, based on my master prompt, now this ChatGPT was even able to adjust the location of the girl. So on my instruction, I said the wife's biological sister, but now he said it should not be the wife biological sister, but rather the maid should come to the wife's village. Then after that, all these things are just what made up my story. Do you understand? And this is the character. This is David Okafor. This is for the wife, and then this is the Adeze, the maid. So we have just 3 characters in the story. Now this is where the story actually started. Now location, can you see it's detailed? Location, Okafor family living this thing. Then time, it was 7 p.m. Then mood, quiet, emotional, distant. Now purpose, introducing the marriage and hint at growing emotional neglect. Now cinematic prompt. This thing is very, very important, because this prompt now is what I will tell the background, like the location where this stuff will actually happen. Now as you can see, this is my open camera direction. Very important. This stuff now will help your story look as if someone is holding the camera from background while you are converting this stuff, when converting your images into a talking photo. Now this is, the dialogue. Now if you look at this stuff, this dialogue is very simple and very cool. So David looking at the wall clock, 7 o'clock. Signs again. Ada walking in carrying a tray. Ada, sir, your tea is getting cold. Can you see? It started with the husband and the maid. David smiled faintly. Thank you, Ada. As Madame called, is asking Ada. Ada, yes, sir. She said another meeting came up. She may return late. David lowered his head. David, another meeting. Ada, would you like me to serve dinner now? David, let's wait a bit longer. Maybe today she will come early. Ada nods gently. Yes, sir. Now the sound of a car pulling into the compound. David smiled. That's Grace walks in while answering a phone call. Grace. No. Move tomorrow's presentation to 10. I will approve the document before midnight. Yes, thank you. Can you see? Now, if you look at this stuff, the conversation was very, very short. And this is what you need, because like this now, you can actually copy a very long conversation here and then convert it once. I don't know if you understand. Now, this is just that about that. Now, once scene 1 is done, all you need to do is just to click part 2. Then it will continue with the part 2 of the story. So this is just the easiest way you can actually do or generate a full dialogue action story for yourself. Then if you find value, don't forget support the growth of this channel by subscribing and then turn on your notification sign, so you always get notified whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video like this. And please, if you need this particular prompt, let me know in the comment section, or check the video description to get the master prompt, dialogue master prompt on the video description. Thank you.